If you've ever accidentally deleted data from your Airtable base, whether that's a record, a field, or a table, here's one of the ways that you can recover it. You can use Airtable Snapshots. Snapshots are basically just a duplicate copy of your base. Airtable takes occasional snapshots depending on how often you use your base. There's not a specific timeline of when they take them, but they do take snapshots on a regular basis depending on how often the base is used. So a snapshot just essentially pulls an older version of your base and makes a duplicate of it in your workspace. So the way that you get to a snapshot is you can open your base, go up here to this little clock icon, click on it, and then choose snapshots. You can take manual snapshots if you would like. Again, Airtable does automatic ones. The history on a snapshot just depends on your specific plan that you have in Airtable. So how to recover a snapshot is you just go choose the date and time of the snapshot that you want to recover. So in this case, we can just choose 9/13, and here it essentially makes a duplicate of it, and it will label the date of the snapshot. So you can also change whether you want to put it in a different workspace. But what this does, it's not going to override your current Airtable base. It's only going to create a copy. So you don't have to worry about any other data that you've added since the snapshot was taken. So all you do is click that and then click Create. This can take a few seconds depending on how large the base is. It will copy and create the snapshot, and then you can go to the new base and click Open Base. That's how you can recover your Airtable data. That's one of the ways. If you want automated Airtable backups, check out On2Air Backups, where we send your Airtable data to Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box on a regular basis as an extra backup storage.